Are you freaking kidding me? You were right. A bear is gonna kill us.
Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression.
Hi, good morning, Lo Ling Ru. This is 5 things you should know before you. What? Starbucks did what? This is 5 things you should know before you go to Highpoint State Park. Number 1. It is the highest elevation in the state of New Jersey. It stands at 1,800 feet above sea level, which is around 500 meters above sea level. Number 2. It is a veteran memorial. In 2008, they actually tried to close down the state because of lack of funding. However, the veterans who hold their memorial there pushed it to stay open. Number 3. It stands at the border of Wentage, Montauk, and Skyland Township. You should not confuse it to the TriState Monument, which is the border of New York, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. However, you could see the state of New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania from up of the monument. It has hiking trails like the Appalachian Trail, the Cedar Swamp Trail, but be careful, there are bears in these woods. Wait, a bear is gonna kill us. Plan your hike, there are bears. Well, that's good to know. Oh. Number 5, the park entrance is $10 for New Jersey resident and $20 if you want to drive in from out of state. However, if you just want to cycle in there or walk in there, it's completely free.
Quick question. The monument is closed.
You can't go in the monument, but you can still go to the base of the monument.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and we could still drive around and take pictures like that. Okay, cool. The reason I decided to make this video is because when I was skydiving, I could actually see the Highpoint State Park from where I was skydiving. I'll link it at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wait, what? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.